recruits, listen up. We need to stop all cars from reaching beyond this point. If we fail, nothing stands in the way of a complete car takeover.
We actually plan to just overtake you.
Now I've taken the liberty to call in backup. Wait, the rest of you need to help and not just stand idly by. You must think we're crazy. Oh my goodness. I fear cars are going to take over the world and all other toys will be overran and eventually forgotten. I hope we can muster up enough stopping power to claim victory this day. I'm pretty sure the attack will begin soon. At least I hope so. I'm hungry. Alright, last personnel check. Helicopter check. Bowser check. Green and tan expendable. Station sharp shell check. Fast boy check. Kitty toad check. Strong guy, stretchy mama, see-through sister, funny baby check. Angry flower check. Scary mouth check. Bada bing and bada boom check. Okay, we are set to defend this hill with every inch of plastic of our beam. Bring it on!
Clearly they don't know metal beats plastic in the game Rock Plastic Metal.
Quickly, make any necessary adjustments. Ready? 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 Now stand your ground!
For gravity and for Putt Wheels Racing!
Did anyone even say go?
Yeah, we did.
I didn't hear it. Darn cars, this isn't over. I'll always be watching.